YouTube episode number 133 Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and your favorite episode once again on Kalamkari. So let's get started. Product number 1 is on tussar and hand painted Kalamkari applique done on it. This is the traditional peacock, double peacock applique in the pallu, and throughout this diagonal work will be going. These are all hand painted. Hastkala, Kalahasti hand painting applique Kalamkari, which we have so finely attached on this tussar. See the thread work that has been done. It's not the thick work that we usually do in applique work. Very neat, intricate, very fine thread work has been used to attach the applique of this hand painted Kalamkari. See the work, the bottom, you can understand the lower part throughout the applique will be going in the daman. Full sari, and here is the running blouse piece. It will have a plain running blouse piece with this, and here is the sari. I mean, upper part will be like this and the lower part will be like very sleek design and very elegant, because the upper part I have kept it plain and the lower part and the pallu, the applique starts. Very uncommon style, not too much clumsy. 10,500 for this, 10,500. You can wear a contrast Kalamkari blouse with this also, else the sari itself with that blouse will also look very nice. Now, as I say, again something new now done. Today I will be showing you lot of silk kota with tussar pallu in hand painting Kalamkari, silk kotas. Very lightweight, soft saris, pure silk kota zari border with hand paint. These are so comfortable, so light and very flowy, and it doesn't fall off. Why? Because it has a tussar pallu. This part is in ghicha tussar pallu, same price 8990, in pure hand painted Kalamkari till the shading will come in the pleat. See the color. Throughout it will be like this, and here comes the blouse piece. The blouse piece, the back and the border. These are so lightweight and comfortable and pure silk kota. Very uncommon shade also. Product number 2. Product number 3. Silk kotas. First I will be showing you few silk kotas. See the color. Achol, same price 8990, olive achol. I have just kept it brushing because the body is throughout floral, very bright floral, and contrast pleats in the black pleats, charcoal black pleats and charcoal black blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, border and the back part. Charcoal black, and see the color combination, it's so gorgeous. I'm sure many of you have bought tussar Kalamkari from me, so you can try this silk kotas. It's a lovely, soft, lightweight fabric in pure silk with ghicha tussar pallu. Sky blue, see the colors, shades of green and blue. $8990 achol, all with zari border, and there is zari weave in the pallu part also. Very soothing, sober aqua color. See the color. And here is the blouse piece. Now another earthy tone, but it's a gorgeous color combination because it will have mustard in the pleats. All same price, product number 5, Aanchol. See, all over work, painting. Can you see the pleats? Aanchol in green, and the blouse piece will be in contrast rust color. This is the blouse piece for this. You will love this fabric, especially for summer, and you know, for if those who can't carry heavyweight saris, it's a beautiful fabric. Once there are many who buys, you know, we've done bandhej in silk kotas also, Lehriya, bandhej and many more, and they keep on asking for you know, new designs in silk kota. So you can try these hand painted kalamkaris. 8990, black and fudge color combination. Here is the contrast black blouse piece for this. Here is the blouse, black contrast blouse, and here is the sari. Again, your favorite Lehriya, Tussar Lehriya with hand painted kalamkari pallu and blouse piece. So first goes the blouse piece, then goes the pallu, and then comes the Lehriya body. 9,950 rupees in the jet black with earthy tone hand painted hastkala kalamkari, you can and blouse piece also, no border, 9,950 rupees. The whole body will be in black Lehriya. I'll show you some more colors. Number 8, red. It's not red, actually deep maroon. It's a deep red, so it's maroonish. Color is maroon. Grayish blue. Aanchol and blouse piece is always floral jal, and the traditional bird motif in the peacock motif in the pallu. So this is another combination. So the previous one was black, this is in maroon. 9,950 rupees, pure tussar, lightweight, soft also. Now number 9, mustard and green. The blouse is in fully painted mustard floral. Yeah, so this way you can understand. And the whole body will be in this Lehriya. So these are not draping, more or less you know these. I've been showing you for many months and it's very much in demand even now. Number 10, a Firoza. Rust black and Firoza. Bright chart. But let me tell you, the kalamkari part will not be bright because these are all, you know, these are earth color. These are all earthy colors, but on wearing it looks very gorgeous. These are all traditional hand paints, pure hand painting, Kalahasti hand painting it from vegetable dyes. 9,950 rupees, product number 10. Now coming to product number 11, similar type in yellow. The blouse piece is also in all over floral. Product number 11, 9,950 rupees. Now number 12, your favorite tussar hand painted kalamkari all over. All first come first serve basis. Once you make the payment in our business account, we will courier it to you in 2 to 3 working days. 8990 for this. Previous week, due to Independence Day, there was some delay in the delivery because 2-3 days it was Saturday, Sunday, few hubs were closed. Otherwise, there will be prompt delivery. This is the blouse piece for this in coffee color blouse, and the body is in a lovely shade of green. Rich, gorgeous color. Virgin color all over with olive. Achol, all 8990 flat rate. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We are open till Durga Pujas every day, even on Sundays. So please visit. New stock is added every day, and please subscribe to the channel's YouTube channel so that you get regular notifications of what will be coming in the next episode, and also a Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these photos will be uploaded and more stock will be uploaded regularly. You can check out our WhatsApp status also. Please, for booking, no phone calls, only messages. We take bookings only via messages, WhatsApp messages, and once I confirm the availability of the product, I will give you the bank details. After you make the transfer, the product will be couriered to you. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Navy. It's a bright midnight blue, you can say, not navy. It's a bright royal blue, midnight blue color. Achol. Product number 148990 for this. Slate color in the pleat, very lovely combination. And blue blouse. This is the blouse piece for this. Opposite page. This is the blouse piece, right side. Number 15, it is with a woven border, not the zari border. This is a woven border. See the border, this is tussar woven border. I usually make these hand painted tussar kalamkari in two borders. One is the zari border that I was showing, and one is this woven border. Achol, maroon color with beige, mustard tone beige in the pleats. And of course it will have this blouse piece with the border, mustard blouse with the border and back. Number 16, See the painting, all over work. It's absolutely a feast to the eyes. The colors, the brightness of the sarees, and the just mood boosters. This is the pink blouse piece with this. This is the blouse piece. Aanchol. Black and slate. Very fashionable sari. Even at night this will look really smart. 8990 Aanchol. This grey and black is my, one is off-white and red and the other one is grey. This is the blouse piece. Another gorgeous black. See the dye, the colors, the artwork. Apurbo shari. Just on shades. Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Ladia Dattagupta, and we are a 25-year-old branch in Baliganj and also in Cornfield Road. We are a 25-year-old establishment dealing in menswear, ethnic saris, traditional kurtis, suit pieces, katha dupatta, stoles, banarasis, and many handmade ethnic jewelry, costume jewelries also. Black and green, and here is the blouse piece for this. Lavender. All 8990. It's a sky and lavender combination. Very fresh color. With blouse piece. So it's a purple and lavender, mauve and purple color combination shading done. Very feminine combination. Like the shading one in green, this is another in pink, but the design changes of course, but the concept is in shades again. See, these are all new work. Number 20. Blouse piece, zari stripe with painting. Isn't it gorgeous? If you like the products, please leave a comment. Please send your photographs. I'll upload it in my album, Sanskriti Srimoti albums. And also, you can send me your requisitions, what you want to see in future. I'll keep those in mind. Now some Sambalpuri and Vidarbhas. Pure Tussar Sambalpuri in blue. $10,500. Achol, the natural weave, blue and grey combination, very soft. These tussars are beautiful with the blouse piece. This is the natural woven Sambalpuri blouse piece with this. This is the sari. Black, black with florals again, hand painting in tussar. Achol. These are all traditional weaves from Orissa. This is the blouse piece in slate with the border, woven border. And see this copper color, this copper brown dye in the pleats is making all the difference. Vidarbha with maroon border. As I said in the previous episode, of around 500-550 rupees, price has increased. 11,500 for this Vidarbha. This is the whole sari painting. With maroon woven blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. It's actually rich wine color. It's a gorgeous shade, and with this color combination, it's a very elegant piece. In pure Vidarbha tussar. Now again something new, tussar hand painting with chicken curry. Hand painted tussar kalamkari with chicken curry border. Direct stitch, machine work, achol with embroidery, 10,900. Pista color, absolutely new design. So this episode you got to see applique, you got to see the silk kotas, Vidarbha and tussars is always there, the leheriyas are there, and now chicken curry with kalamkari. Peach, All lovely pastel shades. How do you like the concept? Some little fusion. Very smart sari, even the color. And it's very heavy quality tussar, let me tell you. This is the blouse piece. Sober, soothing color. Okay, before I show the last one, this is the another woven kalamkari in light fudge color. 8,950 rupees, 8990. Blouse piece will also have the painting throughout, and here is the pleat. 8990. And number 26, another olive chicken curry with hand painting, kalamkari in tussar. $10,500. Blouse piece with the chicken work in the sleeves. $10,500. All the work is done in our workshop. I spend lot of time in the workshop, that's why maybe there's delay in the reply sometimes, network problem, because few of my workshop is in the suburbs, so it takes time for me to travel and there is network problem. And finally, the one that I'm wearing is with a crepe blouse, price 9,500. This is the blouse piece for the sari that I'm wearing. This is the blouse piece, crepe blouse for border and the back, and this is a pure silk organza hand painted kalamkari with chicken work. The one that I was showing, those were in tussar. This is in silk organza. Hand painting with chicken work with blouse piece, 9,500. And the neck piece that I am wearing, so this is the sari, and the neck piece that I am wearing, 1,800 is the neck piece with the earring. Earring, is there a earring? No. Okay, this is only the neck piece is 1,800 and the sari is 9,500. Thank you so much. No.